Hey there, I'm Mike Bills with Measurable Solutions, and this is Whiteboard Wednesday. So today we are going to talk about being stressed out by an empty schedule. And raise your hand if you've been there, because I know I've been there many a day, right? And it's really a simple process. Your schedule is empty because there's not enough promotion going on. And your schedule is empty because people don't know how to promote. And your schedule is empty because there just aren't enough people obviously coming in, right? But why aren't there people coming in? Well, it's a really simple concept. It's called outflow equals inflow. And so the amount of stuff that you put out, whatever you want to call it, but the amount of stuff that you put out, whether you send stuff in the mail, you send emails, you give out referral cards, whatever it might be, the amount of stuff you send out is directly proportional to the number of people that are going to come in looking for your services. Because chances are, people don't know about you, doctors don't know what you do, people that have been to you before don't remember that you exist and that you can come back, etc. And I know that's a hard concept to really wrap your head around, but I guarantee you, somebody that you treated last year and you had a great relationship with and you're like, oh, they'd come back and see me anytime they needed. Nope, they forgot about you because you're not outflowing something to them. Your hope is that they'll remember you. Your mind wants you them to remember you, but they aren't going to remember you unless you're outflowing some stuff. So what is that? Well, you got to promote. Promote is the key thing, and that's going to really be what's going to keep your stress level as low as possible. The second thing you got to do to really keep your schedule full is you got to use the empty spaces when you have them, right? So you got to have a plan in place. Staff have to know what's expected of them. You are paying them, whether you're paying them hourly, salary, contract, whatever it might be, percentage of their gross, whatever you do. You got to have a plan in place that when they have an empty space on their schedule, they know that they are responsible for filling that space. And so therefore, that space isn't going to be empty tomorrow and the next day and the day after that, right? And then the third thing you got to do is you got to get everybody involved. This is not a you job. This is not a you as the director, you as the owner, you as etc. This is an all staff job. This is everybody from the front desk to your techs, to your PTs, to your whatever your staff is, everybody's got to be involved in this process. And you do that, that's going to mean that there is a lot more outflow going on, and that outflow is going to give you what you want, which is the inflow, and you won't have an empty schedule anymore. So take some time, get a plan in place, use these three things, outflow, right? Whatever it is, whatever you want that outflow to be, get that outflow, you will automatically, your phone will start ringing. Get those empty spots being utilized all the time. Don't accept the fact that, oh, it's a slow day, I can finally catch up with my notes, blah, 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 whatever, right? That's garbage. Those empty spots are spots where promotion needs to be occurring. And then number three, make sure that everybody is involved in that. Get everybody involved, and before you know it, that stress level is going to be gone, and that empty schedule is going to be gone, and you're going to have a full schedule. You're going to be happy, you're going to be much less stressed, and life's going to be in a lot better shape for you. So get this action plan in place, and I hope to see you for next week's Whiteboard Wednesday as well. Take care, have a good day.